Hi, I'm Tiffany Masterson from Drunk Elephant, and I'm excited to tell you about B-Goldi Bright Drops. It's like no illuminator you've ever used because it's a powerful fusion of skincare and makeup, fading hyperpigmentation and brightening skin while giving the complexion a sophisticated golden glow. It also supports a healthy skin barrier and boosts its defenses while replenishing essential lipids. B-Goldi's unique formula improves skin's clarity and radiance with 5% niacinamide, diglucosyl gallic acid, and mulberry leaf extract. And the cherry on top is just the color that we've added at the very end that gives your skin a pop of color in any combination that you want. Shake the bottle, then mix a drop or more into any Drunk Elephant moisturizer or serum and apply them all at once for an all-over glow. You can also apply B-Goldi directly wherever you want an extra touch of champagne-colored luminosity, or you could even add it to a body lotion. My favorite way to use B-Goldi is mixed into Pertini cream to firm and smooth my skin, all with the prettiest, softest, natural glow. It literally takes me 30 seconds every morning, and my skin has never looked better.